Hello students, welcome back. How are you? I hope you're all fine. Okay, we are studying this chapter, surface area and volume, and I've talked about the basic idea of surface area, right, and the volume, and we also talked about the surface area of cube and cuboid, the total surface area, okay, and we have then talked about what if we are removing the top and bottom of this, okay, and we are going to use this in the area of 4 walls, and will be seeing a question based on that 4 wall, okay. So we'll look forward to it. Now the first very question that we are going to solve is here: a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 meter deep is to be made. It is open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box and also the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost ₹20. So first we have to talk about the area of sheet required for making the box, right? So here it's a box, plastic box, 1.5 meter long. So this box will be something like this, isn't it? And we have given the dimensions of it, which is 1.5 meter long. So 1.5 meter is this dimension, and then we are having it wide 65 centimeter. So that will be 65 centimeters, and then it is open at the top. Now I have also underlined this thing, open at the top. Why? Because that is going to be helpful in finding the value. We have to do something with that. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, just forget this having any thickness, and we are having this part open. So one surface of it is open. Now which surface? If we look carefully, this is length and this is width. So one length multiplied by the width, that is this area, is excluded from it. Okay, so if we talk about the area of sheet required for making the box, it will be making up of 5 area. This one area, this 2 area, this third area, the bottom one, 4th area, and the back one, the 5th area. But this area is excluded. So we are going to minus 1 lb from the formula. Okay. Now the first part, or you can just first write about the given things. Given length 1.5 meter, width equals to 65 centimeters, that is going to be 0.65 meters. I've told you, be very specific about the units. Okay, now it's saying that it's having long, okay, 1.25 is width, and it's deep. Okay, so here we are doing it wrong. Okay, we are having the width equals to 1.25 meter. So here it will be going to be so that is going to be, this is going to be 1.25 meters. Okay, 1.25 meters, right? Meters. Now the deepness, d or equals to, you can say in the formula we use this whether depth, whether height, will be using it as h. So that will be 65 centimeter, or else you can say that 0.65 meters. Now the first one, solution number 1, the asked thing is the area of sheet required for making the box. Area of sheet will be equals to area of complete box minus area of top. Why is it? Because we have here the word open at the top, so it will be open at the top. So area of top will be deducted from it. Now area of top is L multiplied by B. I have explained it earlier, sorry. So that will be area of box. Now what is area of box? Area of this cuboid. The area of this cuboid is nothing but 2 multiplied by LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, and minus of this LB. So it's going to be 2 BH plus 2 HL minus of 1, sorry, plus of 1 LB. Okay, so you will be having this formula like this, isn't it? Okay, so here we'll be having this formula and now we have to just put the values. Okay, putting the values. Which values? Given values. Okay, area of plastic box equals to 2 LB, not LB, to BH plus LH. Okay, these two things we have to. Now width was given 1.25 meter, multiply by the height which is depth, this is 0.65 meters, plus length is 1.5 meters, and again the height is 0.65 meters plus L. These all values you have noted it down in your notebook. See it again. Okay, the length is again 1.5 meter and the width is 1.25. Now you have to solve this. Okay, solve it. You'll be having here 0.65 common, right? Okay, so that will be 2 multiplied by 0.65 common, then 1.25 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 multiplied by 1.25 is going to be here, 0.13. Okay, so here it will be 1.3 multiplied by 5 as it is 6, 7, 2.75 plus 1.5 and 1.25, that's going to be 25, 10, 12, 5 and 6, then 125, here it will be 7, 8, 1, that's going to be 1.875, 1.875 it is. Okay, so you're going to solve it. That will be 1.3 multiplied by 2.75, that's gonna be 15, 22, 8 and okay 7, 15, 1, 2, 3, 3.575 plus 1.875. 1.875 is gonna be 5, 14, 5. So that's going to be 5450 and we are having this here. So 5.45. Okay. Now 5.45 is the area. Okay, so this is going to be the area. Now if it's in the area, it will be in the meter square. So the required area of the sheet for making the box equals to 1.450. Okay, this is the first thing. Now the second part is the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square costs rupees 20. For 1 meter square, you're costing 20 rupees. For this meter square, you'll be going to have multiply by 20 rupees. Okay. Now, cost of sheet is equals to surface area of each plastic box multiply by 20, that is equals to 5.5045 multiplied by 20. Okay, okay, have 2 zeros here, cut it here, 5 times, so it's going to be 5 ones are 5, 0, 109 rupees. Okay, so 109 rupees for making sheet or for making one box. Okay. The next question is the length. The length is given, width and height of the room are given. So here is a room, students. Likewise, your room, here is also a room, and this room consists of these 4 walls. Is it looking like a room or not? Let's make it again. First square. Okay, it's rectangle basically. Okay, now the length, width and height of the room is given. So this is length is 5. So this length is 5 meters. Then the width is 4 meters. And the height is 3 meters. Now, you have to find out the cost of whitewashing the walls of room. Okay, so how many walls, how many surface areas will be having, how many faces will be having of your wall? If you are sitting in your normal room, that consists of 4 walls. Actually, this side, that side and this side. So these 4 walls are there. Now the top and the bottom are excluded. The top is not there. This is the ceiling and this is the floor. So floor and ceiling are not here. We are talking about only 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, right? Okay. So we are going to take only that thing, right? So if you talk about this face and the face, like this face and that face. Okay. So these 2 faces will having, this is your height, this is your length and this is your width. So that is h multiplied by L. So you will be having 2 faces of h multiplied by L. Similarly, if I will take this face and this face, so this face is equals to b multiplied by h. So b multiplied by h, and similarly that will be also the same, this face and this face, these 2 faces. Okay, so that's gonna be 2 also. So that will be 2. Height is common, L plus B, and that was also the direct formula too. Okay, you can use area of 4 wall formula. I have told you in this particular question. Okay. Now, solution. We have to find out the cost of whitewashing the walls. Whitewashing will be on the surface of the wall. Okay. So, cost of whitewashing the walls is equals to cost of whitewashing per meter square multiply by surface area of 4 walls. Now, cost of whitewashing per meter square is given 7.50 multiply by 2HL plus B. Now put the values here. 7.50 multiply by 2 multiply by the height. The height is given 3 in meters. L plus B. L is 5 and B is 4. So 4 plus B, that is 5, that will be 9. So this is simply 7.5 multiplied by 2 is here 0, here again 0, 15. Okay, so 15 multiplied by 27 multiplied by 2. It's going to be 30 by 27, which is going to be 0 here, 21, 810 what? Rupees. So, what we are going to do? We are going to calculate the surface area of 4 walls. 4 walls, this, we are going to exclude the top and bottom, and then we have to multiply it with the rate of per meter square whitewashing. So, this is our answer. Okay. In the next question, the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meter. The perimeter is 250 meter here. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square, rupees 15,000, find the height of the hall. Again, we are having the hall here. So, we are having this hall. Okay, we are having some length here, some width here, and some height here. We have to calculate the height. And now what is given to us, that perimeter of hall is equals to 250 meter. Now what is the perimeter of hall? This L, this B. So B plus this again L plus this again B. Okay. So that is equals to B plus L plus B plus L equals to 250 meter. That means 2L plus B is equals to 250 meter. Correct? That means L plus B equals to 250 by 2, which will be 175 in meters. Okay, or else you can write just 2L plus B is equals to 250 meters. Now, it's saying that the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 meter per square, the cost is equals to 15,000 rupees. Okay. Cost of painting 4 walls is equals to area of wall or 4 walls multiply by rate of painting. Now area of 4 walls is equals to what? 2L plus B multiply by H is equals multiply by rate of painting. Rate of painting is 10 rupees per meter square. So 10 rupees per meter square and this is given, the complete value is given 15,000 rupees. 15,000 rupees. So just calculate it here, cut it. Okay. Now if we given with the perimeter of all as 250, here we are having 2L plus B is equals to 250 meter. Just put the values in the formula. So we'll be having here 2L plus B. 2L plus B is 250. 250 multiplied by H is equals to this value 1500 now. So cut it short, implies that H equals to 150 by 25 by 6. Okay. So height is 6. 6 what? Meters. All dimensions were in meters. Okay. The rate was in meters. So we are going to get the answer in meters also. And that will be your answer. Understood? Okay. So student, this is for today. We are going to solve our next question in next class. We are going to solve many questions. Okay, just you can do more practice, and you can find a numerous question on this particular topic, surface area and volumes, and you can have some twist turns in these questions. So just practice them, and we'll be meeting in our next lecture with some good topics, good new topics. Take care of your student. Bye bye.